Right, next update, and I can't believe how far I have to stand back in order to get everything in frame, but you can see I started off doing the lower corner, so I did the left bottom bar, which you can see down there, and then the back bar across there, and once I got those aligned, I then did the corner back left, put the screws in that area. Once I got those attached, and it takes 3 on each piece, so there was a total of 6 screws there. Came across here, did the rear right bar at the bottom. So once I've got that nice and solid, then I moved up, did the next bar, get 3 screws there, 3 screws there, next one up, 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, and 3 there. So working up from bottom to top, it all slides together very easy. I'm going to come in here and show you what you actually get to see. Here's your 3 screws each piece. Here and here, here and here, here and here. So what I was doing is I was putting in the top screw on the first one. Once that was in, holding the bar careful, I put the top one in over this end. Once the top ones were in on both ends, then I would add the second and third screws on each side, and that worked perfectly. It's so precision engineered. Once you got that top screw in, the other ones just glide in. Now I'm using the little hex screwdriver that came with it, with the kit. Some of you might be tempted to want to use a electronic drill. I will tell you now, don't do it. The last thing you want to do is cross thread one of these little bolts. I mean, there's a lot of them around. Just use the screwdriver, put them in gently. I haven't tightened them solid. I'm just putting them in as far as they can go, but I'm not putting any extra pressure on them yet. Once I've got the full frame assembled, then I will go around and give them a last tighten on each screw. So believe me, take it nice and gentle. The last thing you want to do is cross thread a screw. Okay, moving on, I'm going to start doing the other corners.